This is Ryan, Tiny House, North Dakota, giving you an in-depth look of how I rigged up the plumbing and all the supply lines and then all the drains. Just getting ready to pressure test my plumbing and my propane lines. So I got kind of everything in my crawl space run up to the floor, and put some valves on everything so I can do a pressure test before I button it all up. But yeah, there's a quick look at it. My freshwater tank is this big one. It holds almost 100 gallons. And then I have 55 gallons of gray water collecting. And then I got, let's see here, a water filtration little unit over there with my water pump. And a tiny little water filter right about there, right before my water pump. And of course, those all that stuff can be accessed from the outside in that little hatch that I built a long time ago. But you can see my little DC power distribution box that I built, and then my converter, and then all my my lines for my low voltage lights. So that is it, and I am ready to go. And yeah, let's see if this holds water and then holds some propane. Yep. Oh, looks like it's leaking out of my, yeah, right there. Yeah, 2 angles caught that leak. Let me see if I can put this in. There we go. Oh yeah, I might. Leaking in my filter. Sweet, now I got the whole system pressurized up to all the fixtures. Okay. Now this one will actually feed my tank. Crack this open up all the way. Yeah, looks like it's filling up my tank a little bit, huh? Mm-hmm. Sweet! So it looks like I got a couple inches inside my big tank, which is good. No leaks yet. Once I get over my supply line valve, then I'll know if that line will leak, and then I can send water to my pump and test that out. But as of right now, Tiny is holding water, which is good. I got my tank, looks like maybe it's 1/5 the way full. Now I'm going to try to pull water from my pump. Yeah, see how that goes. Okay, the pump's running. Let's kick on this valve here. Okay, looks like it's yeah, looks like it's pulling water out of my tank. She's yeah, she's pumping water up out of my line. We got water pressure. Nice. I am here moving in my last cabinet, which happens to be my biggest cabinet. And guess where it's not going to come through? You guessed it, not coming in my front door. So I got the 3 windows pulled, and we are going to move in my last cabinet for a fridge. Boom! Just hang tight. I'm going to try to find a happy balance point. I found it. No hands. That's a big cabinet for a tiny house, but still, Getting ready to move my refrigerator in here. Again, too big for the door. One beer fridge. Yes! Just gonna give you a short time lapse of this top area above on my bathroom wall. What I've done is I've taken all the scrap cedar that I had laying around and I ripped them down into different thicknesses and different lengths. I got some 1/2 inch, I got some 3/8, and I got some 5/8, which I'm just going to kind of mix and match and play with a little bit up there and see if I can't get something that looks kind of decent. So yeah, sit back and enjoy. This one will be quick. That's what she said. My original plan was to park that end of the house towards the lake. But now since I'm on my toilet and I'm looking at the view, I think I would like a loo with a view. So I might have to turn my house around when I put it up on top of the hill. Cheers, mate.